Now that all the floors are in, we can finally add things like the trim, the doors, and all the cabinets and built-ins.
We have finally been able to finish one of the really important milestones in the house, which is having these gorgeous cabinets installed. And I think the only thing more impressive than the kitchen you designed is the fact that you hung so many of these cabinets yourself, and I have the footage to prove it. And I know that's not easy because I helped you with one, maybe two, and they are heavy. They are really heavy. So my hat's off to you for being able to get them to look this nice. So one of the really cool design features you've added to this kitchen is a stunning walk-in pantry. Why'd you do what you did?
What I like to do is I like to kind of hide things a little bit. They have no idea how big this room is until they open the door. So when I was designing this house, I think, how would I want to do this and make it not just a pantry, but maybe a work area, fun area, craft area. It could be all kinds of things. And I was going to do real simple shelving in there. And I said, nope, let's make this a fun room. So then what we decided to do is we just have the same doors we have in the rest house with the white oak. And I did painted cabinets I did a solid maple butcher block top, did solid maple shelving in there. And then I did pullouts, dovetail door pullouts in that room as well.
It's a great feature. I love it. So another thing I noticed with the design of this kitchen is that instead of opting for just cabinet doors all over, I actually see a bunch of drawers. Why did you do that?
The industry is kind of changing a little bit because everybody wants pullouts inside of their cabinets. So instead of paying for doors twice, you have a door, you're gonna pay for that, and then you have another door or drawer front in front of the pullout. Well, why not just have a pretty drawer and have the whole thing pull out and have no doors that you have to fight, and you're always trying to get your hands past them and you rub them, and that's no fun.
And it's true, that's what happens every time I try and pull something out. I'm always hitting the doors when I do it, right?
Yeah, knuckle buster.
Yeah, well, it's a cool design. I'm very jealous of it. So moving on to the trim, I've always wondered how you get your trim so tight against the wall, and you did something to the sheetrock so that you could actually get that trim nice and flush.
As we waterproof, we make tighter homes. What we've done is we've made windows thicker at the bottom of the windows with our window tape and our pan flashings, so it's pushing the window out. There now, instead of the window being even with the sheetrock on the inside, it's away. So now the sheetrock is proud and it's standing out too far. I can't make my trim fit against that. It's going to be sticking out. Therefore, I have to relieve some of that sheetrock from the wall. Because the sheetrock is just pretty, it's not affecting the envelope of the home. Take that out of there, then you get that nice tight joint on the outside edge, and then it's tight against the jamb. Or I'd have to build out the jamb, and that wouldn't look as good.
And I know you were very particular about it because you kept going around every single window with your little tool, making sure that if there was even a slight variation, you were going to catch it.
I filled 2 garbage cans full of sheetrock debris.
Well, the net result is the trim looks fantastic.
It has to look good for the next 50 years.
So along with the kitchen, you did a bunch of beautiful woodworking throughout this house, in the living room, obviously the bar area downstairs, but you also added some additional seating downstairs, didn't you?
With the built-in walk-up-to bar, it just didn't seem finished. So standing in this space and talking about it with people, I thought, let's put another sitting area overlooking towards the large screen TV and the fireplace in the other end of the room.
And I think it's a great setup because now the people sitting at the bar are sitting right next to the people on the couch watching the game.
Yeah, they're sitting on the couch down in front of you. People behind you are playing pool. Get a TV over at the wet bar. You get a TV over. It's a good setup.
Hey, thank you so much for checking out this video. We have so much more we're very excited to show you as we finish this gorgeous house. So be sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Have a great day.